Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too, because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
All right. Welcome. It is December 2nd, 7:38 p.m., 7:39 p.m. in New York. We're trading the Asia session. Let's get the Zoom room open. Here we go. All right. There we go. Okay.
What's good, man?
There's Tono. All right, how you doing? I'm doing okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you up on the screen. I've got you. There's Tono's iframe and Tono. And Tono in full screen. Boom, there we go.
It's funny, I just realized I'm now considered older adult.
almost senior citizen. Almost senior citizen.
I guess I am. Shit. I was talking to my wife about his old geezer. She said, he's about your age. I said, he's about my age.
Right.
I'm like, what?
Creeps up on you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yo.
Hey, there's E-Man.
All right,
got
all
your
right.
thing set up.
Yeah, Man, you know how proud I was of myself, man. Hey, I was in here, I'm moving on up.
That's to the east side. That's right across the park from where I live.
That's right.
I live on the west side.
Oh, from where they shot that series at?
Well, you know that song says "Moving on up to the east side."
Yeah.
It's talking about the Upper East Side of Manhattan. I live on the Upper West Side of Manhattan.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just saw a special by him last week. They were saying that he was homosexual.
Sherman, what was his name? Sherman.
Yeah, Sherman.
Hemsley.
Yeah, Sherman Hemsley. Yep. Yes, he was.
Yeah,
He had a little sugar in his tank.
yeah, man.
Nothing wrong with that. Let's be clear. Are we on YouTube?
Yeah, we are on YouTube. Yeah, we are on YouTube.
Then let's make sure we don't discriminate.
Oh no, some of my best friends are gay.
Not emails. Not Mississippi.
Yeah.
Can't be gay in Mississippi if you let email tell it.
I was gonna say, I've been saying, y'all know I'm from Mississippi now.
And you're a church boy, and you got more gays in church than than at the YMCA. So cut it out, man. Yeah, so you don't know.
Hey, well, as long as we don't know, we good.
Yeah, y'all got that old South thing going on.
Where's my? Oh, here we go. There's my. All right, we're looking for price to break below this support that it's on right here. We've got a clean trade to the downside if it does.
Where's that support at?
Right here, where we are right now. On the 1 minute. On the 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah.
You saw us on the 5 minute too, so, and on the 15 minute. That's not good.
What? I don't have support there.
That yellow gold line.
Oh yeah.
You have that gold indicator line.
Yeah, but we're below that here on the 1 minute. No.
No, on the 1 minute you're below, but on the 15 minute you're touching it.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah. So you wouldn't go?
No.
Even if price action, so even if it just starts going, you wouldn't go?
Those gold lines, man, they've been pretty fucking strong.
All right.
You know.
Okay.
I mean, if there's some real momentum, I might take the run, but it's got to,
Okay.
I mean, 4 pips, right? The low today was 42.02, right?
Yeah.
So we're 4 pips above that.
Yeah.
4 pips for you is great because you can make $1,000.
Yeah.
4 pips for gold traders, I don't know if it's worth it.
For spot, yeah, I'm trading.
Yeah,
right.
for spot.
I'm trading one contract on futures, but across multiple accounts, so it's actually a lot of size.
Yeah, I've been in since I wrote it up to 16. I'm still stuck in the buy at 16. Thing turned around and fell back.
Yeah.
I wrote it up from that 42.02 that you talking about.
Up to 16.
Yeah.
So you should be. Oh, you're down. Well, you still should be in profit now, right?
Well, no. It fell back down from 16 down to 7.
Oh, you bought at 16?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I gotta change my stats panel. That's from the New York session.
Trying to get some momentum, man, to push on up back to 30 again.
All right, let's take a little trip here around the block. We have the VIX volatility index at about 16.5. That's in a normal range. Not going to experience any market volatility due to anything that the VIX measures. Dollar has been coming down since the New York session. It's just been coming down. And it's been coming down in this session, and it's coming down right now pretty decisively. So gold tends to move in the opposite direction, so let's see if gold's getting stronger right now.
They're both equally in strength right now.
Yeah.
You look at the FX Blue.
Yeah, that's right. Whoops, right here on the right side of the page. US dollar, negative 2.7. Gold, negative 2.7. Both selling. 10-year yield's been coming down. That also tends to move inversely to gold. So here we are, the gold 5-minute chart, spot gold 5-minute chart. Just below where price was when we showed up. As Tono said, we've got a 4-pip move to the downside, perhaps. But it's not really showing us that kind of action right now. I don't know, we can watch it here on the 1 minute. See if it starts breaking below here. That would be a nice little rundown for me on futures there if it did that with some ambition, but it is still early.
Yeah.
And here we are on futures. All right. I'm going to change the camera angle so we can get into the
once
zone.
you come down to the DM2 daily pivot. Mike, I think it's the wick is passing that gold line, so I think that's invalid now.
Yeah.
Hey Tono, when I'm doing this, okay, I go when I'm trying to put in a hedge, I go to pending.
While you putting, if you're trying to put a hedge in, just put the hedge in. Don't go to pending.
No, like like at 4,200, because I'm being at 4,210. So I want to put a what you call it?
Yeah, pending hedge.
Yeah.
Right.
So look at your left side where the market is, where you buy and sell at.
Yeah.
Look up at the top. You see the word market. Right under the words XAUUSD, the biggest words, biggest letters there.
Uh-huh.
The next to it is pending.
Yeah, I hit pending.
So when you hit pending, just put in the numbers.
Right. I put in the number, you know, where you go, you buy and sell.
No, you're just putting in where it says price.
Okay. Pending.
Under the lot size, you see the price?
Right, that's what I meant to say, price. I said something else. Yeah, that's what I did.
All right, and then just decide what you want to do. Put a buy or sell in. And then just do it. Put it in, and then go under the tab for pending orders. You should see it.
All right. All right, now the word price, you got your negative sign and your plus sign. and you got your price in the middle.
Right. Click on it and change the price to what you want it to be.
Right. That's what I did.
All right. And now you can just go down and put buy or sell.
Oh, after you do that, then you go and hit
the buy or sell button.
Oh,
right.
Okay.
All right. And then that should put the order under the pending tab on the left side, on the right side. Will you see open positions?
Yeah, let me widen this out some. Because when I did it, let's see, open position.
And then look at pending orders, and you should see your pending order sitting there.
Is that on Trade Launcher?
Yeah, that's
on
it.
GUI Trade.
Oh, GUI Trade.
Yeah.
You gotta click on pending and see.
Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it. There you go. Appreciate
Make a note somewhere that you definitely got a pending order, because unlike MetaTrader, you have to click on that tab to see it. So if you get out of your buy or whatever that you did, and you left that order in there, it can screw you over.
Yeah, because it's ducked. You can't see it.
Right. So just make sure you actually remember that you have it there, or you'll get screwed.
I talked to AB over the weekend.
Oh, you did? What's up with him, man?
Now I got a little partner who graduated from Mississippi State, and he kind of the same stuff he's doing.
Okay.
And he can't find a job nowhere.
Your partner?
Yeah. So
get him trading.
Ain't got no money, man. Bro, after this last deal, I don't even want to sell another house, bro.
Too much trouble, right?
No, it, man. Bro, I've never had this much money taken out. $25,000, bro.
What was that taken out for?
Closing costs, all of it. You know.
Why you agree to that?
From their fees, well, it was $8,200 went to the realtors, and $8,000 towards to them, the buyers.
Why you giving them $8,000?
Man, I didn't know I was giving them $8,000. I had my realtor told him I had told my realtor, I said, hey, I was at a concert and I was texting her. We were texting back and forth. I said, listen, I pay some of the closing costs. Normally all the closing costs is $4,000 or $5,000 down here. And then I said, yeah, I gotta pay the closing costs, I pay the closing costs because the house is in the flood zone. You know, that can be a problem sometimes, you know. So give them an incentive. And she didn't tell me. She told them. Me and her ain't even have another conversation about it. I'm just tongue-in-cheeking with her, you know. And this girl went over there and told them, and I didn't know the closing cost was $8,000. She called me back the next day, said they accepted the offer. I'm like, what offer? And you gonna pay $8,000? I told her then instantly, I don't want to pay no $8,000. We need to redo this deal. I told her then. I've never paid that much in closing costs.
So what happened then?
We went on through with it, man. You know, when you deal with the hard money lender, bro, They
you want to get them their money back quick.
Exactly, and I'm trying to get out of it. I wanted to hurry up and get out that deal. Yep. Yep, that the way I've been doing business all my life, man. I'm just hurt right now from what happened. You know what I'm saying? Going through all of that, so I'm like everybody else. I'm no longer special. You know, once you add up all them little fees they put in there, you know, that's a chunk.
Let's see, it stopped here.
Yeah, we're back in the range where we were.
Candle close at 12. Right. Yeah.
Come on, 16. I really need to see 20. 42.20. Don't throw you in a buy, Mike. It's going all the way up there.
Twice.
Well, this looking like a pretty good buy. It's up. It's a buy. Go back to 16.
On resistance.
What a resistance?
It's on a resistance on the 1 minute, and the last 2:15. The last 2 or 3 50-minute candles closed at this area.
One minute for 8 o'clock. I don't even understand why it's creeping up when gold is weaker than the dollar. It should be going down, but it looks like no, gold is stronger than the dollar right now.
Oh, right. Sorry.
I'm gonna go. Aha.
It's turning back around. The wrinkle.
Yep.
You back where you need to be, man. Right?
Yep.
I should have stayed in that. I should have stayed in. I clicked out too soon. Oh, well.
Come on, 20. Stop. Cool enough.
You out of that trade or you in it, man?
I was trying to see. I'm still in it. I was trying to see if it's gonna go to 20. Look like that's where it's going. We got a little resistance right here. I might jump out at 18 right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get them out with
Yeah,
19 up.
You're at the point of control right now. It's a good place to jump out, but it's looking like it's going to go through.
Yeah, it broke all the resistance on the Rinko.
Well, I didn't put $93 in my little prop firm. Okay. So that's my first trades. You know what I'm saying? My goal is like $100 to $120 a day on this thing.
Okay. What lot size you trading?
10.
Okay.
I'm glad you said that because I looked up. It's back at 1.
Yeah, that's the problem. It keeps flipping.
Yep. I'm buying me a Lamborghini this month, Mike, off this trade, bro. It's going down.
Okay. Lambo E-Man.
Yeah, man.
You ever heard of Lambo Rove? He's a trading influencer on TikTok and on YouTube.
Oh look, let me see. I might have. Let me see. Lambo Road.
I think his father owns a Lamborghini dealership or something. So he's always but like nobody knew this. So he was always driving around different Lamborghinis and giving people the impression that he made the, was
funny.
Buying them as a trader. I think I've seen a couple of videos like debunking him or like accusing him of that. I don't have any firsthand knowledge of that, so I don't want to slander anybody.
Oh yeah. I watch him all the time.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, his daddy is a rich dentist.
Oh, is that it? Okay.
Yeah, his daddy is a rich dentist who
owns several Lamborghinis or something.
Yeah, man. You see that garage?
Yeah.
Yeah. He out in Florida. I'll be watching him in Mamba FX and what's the other one? Yeah, LXG, the young guys.
Mm.
You're gonna see me next. It's going down. Hey Tono, did you ever look at that little TikTok guy I sent you the other day? And he was talking about let me find it, make sure. Hold on. Well, I'll tell you what, this Credit Karma commercial pops up every second. Because I was interested in what he was saying. I figured you'd know something about it. Let me find it. Here you go. Yeah, him right here.
LLC.
For those that own an LLC, it's the 508 power play. Let me put you on game. Most people out there are fighting for scraps, while the elite are playing a completely different game. Here's one of the coldest strategies that they will never, ever teach you in school. You don't need to be the owner of your business.
Yeah, you can stop it. Man. Yeah, I know what he's talking about. Yeah. Put your stuff into a trust, yeah. But a lot of people do that.
and have it faith based. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't know about all that. He probably get you in jail, get your ass in jail or something. I don't know. I know what he was saying, but I don't buy into all of it.
Yeah. Uh,
I'm sure if you got the right accountant that can, tricky dick stuff, he could probably get it done.
But is a trust tax exempt though?
No, but a trust is it protects your assets, but he's trying to use the
Faith
church,
based.
yeah, the faith based, the church 501c type thing to,
Right.
yeah,
And there's so many plenty organizations, and even though I know we're using the word church because that's how it used to be, but now you have like sober living or you know what I'm saying, anything to say you helping somebody.
yeah, but you got to be helping them.
Right.
If
Right.
you're just doing it just to get the benefit and you're not helping them, you wind up getting caught out there. You're gonna be in trouble.
I need to turn my barbershop into a faith base. All I do is try to help these kids about it.
Yeah.
Hey,
you guys, you boys come in here and you better pray I get your hair right.
Yeah, pray I get your hair right. You ain't lying.
Right. That's right. You grab onto these Jesus handles right here. Why you call them Jesus handles? Because when I show you your hair, you're gonna grab them and say Jesus.
Yeah. Hey, you saw how that guy pulled that gun on his barber in Florida last Tuesday?
No, I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Why?
He said he jacked his hairline up. Yeah, they got into it. He left up out of there, came back, pulled the gun on him, started whipping him with the gun a little bit, sticking it on his head.
Really?
No, you better be glad I don't want to go back to prison. You better be glad. Oh, you're going back to prison, bro.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
That's right.
Wow. That's
and everything was caught on tape.
Oh, that's awful. I should laugh at
that.
that. I didn't mean to laugh at that. The image I thought was funny, but that's not funny. Wow.
Yeah. Stupid.
You said the image was funny, but it's not funny.
Well, the idea of some guy getting so angry about his haircut that he would come pistol whip somebody.
Yeah, it used to happen, bro.
Yeah.
One of the worst things guys do, man, they act like broads when they start losing their hair, bro. They don't believe. They always want to blame you for their hair loss. I be telling, look, man, that's your hair, bro. You almost 30 or you 40. I tell them all the time, man, I don't feel sorry for you for losing your hair. I started going bald at 17. Man, shut up. I keep control of my shop at all times because I know it can get like that. You know?
Uh-huh.
I will always be the baddest man in my shop. It never will fail. I'm gonna always call the police on you or something. I just never had to go to that extent. And I don't make mistakes when I cut hair. I cut hair blindfolded, hanging upside down like a bat. It's too easy for me. But I'm a visionary. I'm an artist. I draw, paint, sing, play. So I've always been skillful with my hands. A lot of barbers just not good. But I'm hoping it's gonna probably be. I'm hoping it's my last year. They gonna see me. I'm done, burnt.
Yeah.
Boring night. Come on, man. Give us something.
Yeah. It was just at 21.
My lead account on that trade that I took gave me 120, but all of my follower accounts gave me 160. So
really,
yeah. So I'm calling that my nut for the night.
I got to be honest. I'd have, even though it's only the second, I'm not really feeling December.
Yeah. It's been moving a little bit weird.
Yeah.
Well, it fell, what, 42 pips today?
I don't remember.
Yeah, it went all the way down to like 60, 65, 62. 41, 62.
Earlier.
From 30. It was at 42.30. But that's where I was in originally at up top.
Since opening today at 6 o'clock, it's moved 20 pips, it looks like, from 42.02 to 42.22, 42.21.
You ever watched a young black guy called Swaggy C, Mike?
No. I think I've heard of the name. Swaggy C.
Yeah,
Why does that sound so familiar?
Him and Lambo Raoul.
Oh, Swaggy C. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've watched him, yeah. Swaggy C. You ever heard of I-Man trading?
Mm-mm.
If you go to just look up him on YouTube, I-Man trading, IMAN. He does.
I-Man trading.
Yeah, he does videos that debunk. He debunks a lot of the trading gurus. Like debunks them, like reveals them to be frauds, including ICT, including Lambo Raoul, a bunch of them.
How you say you spell his name? I-M-A-N?
Yeah, I-Man. Kind of like you, E-Man, but he's I-Man.
Yeah.
And only one N.
Fake.
Over the past 6 months, I put my own money on the line to figure out which prop firms deal, which ones are.
I ain't gonna lie, man. I mean, they saying people paying and getting their calls and whatnot. But the more knowledge you get in this stuff, man, it's hard to believe any of them.
Yeah.
Tono, I feel like you now how you should talk to everybody when you get to go.
What do you
And
mean?
all these dudes, you can't learn that from these guys online, really. I mean, that's the Asian guy.
No, here I'll find the link to him. I'll put it in the chat here.
Okay, I see that I-Man trading. Let me see. He must be interviewing the Asian guy.
I've never seen the guy. Like you never see him on camera.
Yeah, that's what the deal is. Yeah, because I see it. I see his trading stuff. But you'll never see him. Yeah, because he's too busy trying to hurt somebody's feelings.
Let me see if I can find it. Here it is.
Yes.
I'll put it here in the chat. Here, where is the chat? There it is.
All right. Oh, that's the haircut. Yeah, that's the same one.
Zero courses or paid services. About how to trade. Funded but not yet long-term consistent.
It's doing absolutely nada.
What'd you say?
It's doing absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm about to redo me a setup, man, with more monitors and stuff. I need some more room.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking about you know, you have a little stackable sitting on top of your table, your desk with about 4 monitors on it.
Mm-hmm.
Think about buying one of those and just putting, you know, smaller monitors.
Why don't you get one of the things that Mike? Why don't you send him that thing you sent me from Amazon? Was it Amazon?
What was it?
The
Screen extender?
laptop extender? Yeah.
Yeah, just a second. Let me
With the
find
3
it.
or 4.
Yeah, let me find it.
If you can't find it, I could. I'm still under your text. I could send it in the
I
chat.
got it. I got it here.
And you know how you connect your monitors, and how many will it allow you to be able to pass your mouse through? As many as you put up there or something?
As many as your system allows.
Yeah, it depends on your computer. You'll have to, you know, one of the things here, I just put it back. I put it in the chat. But this one says, I think I read that it's just one cable for all 3 of the extenders.
Right.
So you just have to make sure that your computer's compatible with that. Maybe you can ask ChatGPT or Gemini or something.
Do you see it, E-Man?
No, it's constantly. There you go. I'm pulling down there. This might be it. Yeah, Amazon. Yeah. Click the button below to continue shop. I was reading it. Said told me to click the button below.
Click what button below?
On what he just sent.
I bought one of these and gave it away about a year ago.
Oh, is that one of y'all controlling the Mike, are you controlling that?
Controlling what?
What you just sent me, because it wasn't doing anything. Didn't it start going up down by itself?
Oh no,
Okay.
I'm not controlling anything.
No. You just click on that link. It should take you right to Amazon.
Yeah, it took me to Amazon. I'm trying to find it. Okay.
It takes you right to the product. If you're not on there, you're on something else.
Oh, I see. It's connected to the laptop.
Right.
Oh, and it folds out like that.
Yeah.
Right. You just plug one plug into the laptop.
Yeah, that's better for me.
Right.
Yeah, 14-inch screen. Yeah, that's all right. I even thought about getting a new laptop.
Your laptop should be sufficient.
Okay. Now, how's that connect? Oh, that's a stand that you put your. It's gonna be on. Okay. Let me ask you this, Mike. When you order this, the monitors come with it, or you just buying the stand?
It's the system.
Oh,
It's
You're-
everything. It's the 3 monitors
Yes.
that's connected to a stand.
Yeah, it's the 3 monitors. It's obviously it's not the laptop, right? That's you. That's
right. The laptop you put. Okay.
right.
I want to see what the refresh rate and everything is on here. Let me see. Quality, high quality videos. Enjoy sending video. Laptop. 19.
Oh, they even got it where you can turn your monitor up long. Now, a 14-inch screen, that's the size of the normal laptop screen, ain't it?
Yeah, your laptop is probably 14, I think.
Yeah. Oppo 14. Laptop screen extent.
That's your best bet because it's portable. If you ever want to travel, you can take your stuff with you. You know what I mean?
Yeah, this is perfect.
You don't have to worry about buying monitors. So you can have one screen for your trade station, the other one for your charts.
And one plug-in.
Yep.
Mike, you got one yet?
Yeah, I have 2 different ones. I have a 1-screen extender for my PC laptop, which is where I run MT4, and then I have a 2-screen extender for my Mac laptop. So not 3. It doesn't have the one on top. It just has the 2 to one to each side.
Cool.
But yeah, I like that one. With I would consider changing to that one with the 3. And those are the ones I don't have any of those set up here at my desk. I have bigger monitors set up here at my desk, but those are the ones I travel with.
I like we're trying to go back down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it look like this thing is gonna keep going up and down. This right quick.
Down. I'm coming down.
actually giving us absolutely nothing tonight. What is it? It's a couple more minutes before 9.
We got a 8:30, 8:38 right now.
Okay.
Almost.
Hey, do y'all believe a penny compounding every day for 30 days will be over $5 million?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
You mean exponentially, like every day it doubles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's an old thing.
Yeah. That's just hard to believe though.
Yeah.
I guess by the time it reaches 100,000, it's out there, you know. We'll see if I can do that. How can a person do that? You can't, really, unless you have the millions. See, that's the problem. You can't do nothing to turn that penny. It ain't like it's growing in something, you know?
Yeah.
I don't really know what's out there to set your money in, you know, other than the S&P 500 or I mean, I remember actually this like 4 years ago, Tono. What's out there that compounds? I remember we were talking about something out in California at one time, but I don't know.
Tony, you remember I told you I bought Google at 167?
Yeah.
It's at 316 today.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, right? Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of, E-Man, is buy
Gold.
Gold and
Best buy
stocks.
gold.
Yeah, gold in the
Buy
S&P.
gold.
You talking about buying it how we buying it or buying the bars?
No, I buy the coins, the monster. Just buy coins or buy a monster box when you get enough. And
Yeah.
you'll be,
I got more
My daddy
silver
bought-
coming tomorrow.
Oh, you do?
My,
Yeah.
my daddy bought gold like back in 92, 93, somewhere around there.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
How much was it?
it was almost $400 an ounce. It was 3 something.
Yeah, so he's good to go.
Yeah. Mhm.
He kept it.
Yeah, he still got it. We were just talking about it last Wednesday.
Well, that has 10x since then. 10x.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But you gotta wait so long for something like that, because this guy came and met me to talk to me about retirement, life insurance, and I think he was into mutual funds or something. You put $500 in every month, and by year 15, it should be up to about 1.5 million, something like that.
Yeah.
By what?
By year 15, you should have about 1.5 million, 1.3, somewhere around there, by adding $500 a month.
Yeah.
That's the thing, when you get money or you're doing something, you got to park it somewhere else after you get the money. Like right now, you work hard, get the money, and then if you want to retire, then you got to go put it to the S&P 500 or something like a mutual fund, or you know what I'm saying? Just let it sit there and buy you some stocks that's paying out dividends.
Yeah.
Or get you a trust. You put what, 1.5 million dollars in something, they're gonna spit out like $7,000 a month. That's just when you don't want to do nothing. But you still first got to go hustle hard to get the million, to let it spit out $7,000 worth of babies every month.
The million's always the first is the hardest. Getting your first million is the
Yeah.
hardest.
Yeah.
Most people want to spend.
Right. My problem ain't spending. My problem is always catching a setback from something. I be wishing I would have spent it after I done got the setback. Should have bought a truck. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing about me, man. I don't never spend no money, man. I buy houses, I spend it on stuff that matter, Like right now, man, my truck got 276,000 miles. It got a bad oil leak. So I found one out in Louisiana this past Saturday, and 13,000. It was 2018 model, man, with the interior that I wanted and everything. I said, man, is this price real? 13,000? He said, yeah, because it needs a motor. I said, yeah, I pretty much figured. Mike, what you drive, man? A Prius?
Me? Nah, I drive a monster truck. No, I don't.
Then you got your monster truck, man?
No.
I'm gonna say you didn't strike me to be no monster truck driver, man.
No,
They're down south, bruh.
I've got a Mazda CX-5. Nothing fancy, just something I can keep here in the city.
What's that, SUV?
It's a crossover SUV, like a compact SUV.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We was talking about that last week. How the station wagon went out the window and everybody brought the station wagon back in the name of a SUV.
Yeah.
Everybody got one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Called it a SUV.
So
Yeah.
he joined PETA. I mean, sick,
Smart man.
sick and kind of a funny way, but yeah.
Smart man.
I remember when I had my store, we had a winter with a lot of ice and sleet. And when I came to open up the store, my main window was busted out. And all the store windows down the block were busted out.
Wow.
And I was like, what the fuck? And I happened to look across the street, and there was a window truck with glass on it. And I waved the guy over, came over. I said, can you replace his window? He said, yeah, I got that size right now. I said, you're going to replace for free.
Cause he the one did
I
it.
said, you the one did it. You're going to replace for free. You and me going to have a problem. I'll take care of you, man. I'll take care of you. You might get the other suckers on the block, but you ain't getting me. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
did.
he really
Yeah,
did it.
everybody's size is just waiting for them to open up. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Wow.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
He needed that rent paid that day.
We're trying to go up again.
Yeah, that's what I need to do. I'm just gonna get out of this with this little dollar profit. 7-year, 91 billion to coach football. That's crazy. $13 million gift.
We've had 8 minutes to about 7.5 minutes till 9 o'clock. We'll give it a few minutes till after 9. If nothing happens, we'll click off, and then as soon as we click off, it will shoot to the moon or fall to the floor. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's definitely trying to go up, but I need to go to the gym, man. I can't keep waiting around.
I was gonna say, it looks like you haven't been for a while. Starting to look a little flabby there, man.
Hey man, it's the leanest I've been in a long time, bro. How big round? My biceps 19 and a half inches around, man.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Yeah.
You're a strong boy.
Man, I've always had big arms, big calves, man, big neck. But born like this, man. I ain't did much to help you get there, bro. Yeah, I used to bench over 400 pounds, man, and I had shoulder surgery back in 2017. That stopped all of that. Cardio help out my cholesterol.
Oh, yeah.
It's so cold out here, man. When it get cold, bro, I can't work out, man. That cold do something to me, bro.
Yeah. What's the temperature down there now?
It's about 47, 45 degrees, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But it's wet. You know,
Yeah.
it's been raining.
Yeah.
Hey, Tony, you said you didn't know anything that was doing compounding that you could set your money
You know what, man? You talk to the gold man.
in? Yeah,
I just buy gold. You know what I mean? I
yeah,
don't trust nobody. I don't trust no brokers. I don't trust nobody. I don't trust no pensions. I don't trust no
gotcha.
401k. I buy my gold, I stash it, and I trade gold. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? I'm in
yeah,
control of my own destiny.
I got you.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's how
Got
I've
some
been
silver.
so
I got
far.
some silver coins in case of emergencies. I can flip some silver, but gold is just the way to go, man. You know, I bought gold when it was at almost 1300. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
It's at what, 42 now? What is that? 42, 16. Let's say minus 1300. So it's 20. I made $2,916 on each ounce. So, I mean, maybe there's better investments. I don't know. You know what I mean?
There's
yeah,
nothing that will, you know, there is such thing as compound interest, but that's not exactly the same thing that you're talking about. Compound interest means, let's say, for example, you have a, 10% compound interest, and you have $100 in your savings account, and so the next month you have $110 in your savings account, and then the next month they pay you 10% on that $110, so you get like
right.
$21 next time, right? Um, but there's nothing that will give you like today it's 1 penny, tomorrow it's 2 pennies, the next day it's 4 pennies, the next day it's 8 pennies.
Right.
There's nothing.
Everybody be doing it.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't nothing work to me like trading this gold every day because even though my dad he trades options and stuff like that, and they can probably make more money than us, but it won't be as consistent, I don't believe, because you ain't in control of it. You up and down with the market. See, with this here, you can trade up or down with the market. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
You got enough accounts, you got 10 accounts going, you can put, $10,000, $20,000 a day in,
See, the thing about it is, yeah, you can get rich trading gold, but you can also just be
right,
comfortable. Like if you do it smart and you do like 150, $200 a day and you got 10 accounts doing that and you're making yourself $3,000 a day,
yeah, that's what I'm looking to do. That's it.
you know, you're making 60 grand a month. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
And you're only doing it a couple hours a day and you enjoy doing it, then, what can you say?
yeah, you can't say nothing.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to be able to go buy me a G wagon when I want to, since I can't get that other one sitting out in Arizona.
Yeah, let me
G.
tell you something, man. I'm almost there. I'm ready to sell everything. You know what I mean?
What's a G wagon?
It's a
Ooh,
Mercedes G-Wagon.
Oh, Mercedes G wagon.
Yeah.
hey, don't let no other rich people hear you say that. You rich, man. You supposed to know them type terminologies, bro.
Oh, man, I'm as middle class as they come.
Maybe in New York. Move on down here. You'll be right on. You'll be right on time. Yeah, man. I like this life. This is the life that I've dreamed of. I could say just to be able to keep living on my terms. I ain't gonna lie, man. I've pretty much been retired my whole life. You know what I'm saying? Self-employed. I do what I want to do, eat when I want to eat. But it's only so far that style of work can take you.
Yeah. We got 9 o'clock. Nothing's happening.
Yeah, it's steady falling. Yeah, I'm hedged up. I'm in a good position.
Yeah.
I used $10 lots, and in 2 days I didn't put what 100. Look, hold on, let's see. That's 200. Yeah, I put an even $200 in this thing.
Yeah.
That's all I can ask for. $100 days. Get 10 lot, like you were just saying. I just need to get me a couple more of these accounts, and I put $100 in this other account.
Yeah.
So $200. It's a $10 lot size. Ain't no big.
Yeah. Make sure that you don't trade a second account on that because you can only trade one account at a time.
Yeah, I got one with a live with my money in it and Plexi.
Okay. All right.
And then I got this one over here.
All right. Good.
GUI trade. See, I know as soon as I get up and walk away, it's gonna run right past my edge and have me upside down.
Yeah.
Go get out of it right now.
Exactly what it wants to do.
Make it to 20. That's all I need you to do.
You're negative 20 right now?
No,
I was saying make it to the DM3.
Oh, you need to get to 20.
Yeah, I was gonna put that's so my hedge would be $10. I mean 10 lots. I mean 10 pips away because I'm in at 42.30 from this morning when it was going up and up and up and then decided to fall back.
Gotcha. So wait, it was 42.30 from this morning?
Yep.
And you had it you left it open?
I put a hedge in, but I'm trying to bring the hedge closer. I waited a little while, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
I had threw it in at 16, like where it's at now, but I want to, just get a little closer.
Right.
It was at what 21 about an hour ago.
Right. Trying to go up.
Yeah.
You said you go to the gym, email?
Yeah.
I forgot you're like an hour or two behind us.
Yeah.
1 hour. Yeah.
That's why I set my alarm this morning for 6 so I can go to the gym before we started trading. And I wake up, my charger on the ground, phone dead. I knew when I woke up, I said, "Oh my God, it was too much sun in the room."
There's the buy, guys. There's the buy.
So there's the DM3 at 20.
Oh, you're right. Bad. My bad.
You don't want to jump in there yet.
Don't do that. All right. Well, shall we call it?
Yeah.
Or you want to stick around? I'm happy to stick around.
It's moving now.
A little bit, yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
And that's the top of the night.
Yep.
High of the day.
It's got a little more gas in it,
See
though.
if it goes a little more gas.
Yep.
Still haven't broke that one.
22 is a WM3, so you still got to be careful.
Yeah. The Sunday Open too is right there as well, so it's going to top out here in a minute. But it could go to the WM3 if you're lucky.
I got 24 at the WM3.
I'd get out of that. That's coming back at you. You waited for so long for it to get above 20. Don't let it come back at you. Get out of that before it goes negative on you.
Oh, Tono, you got in?
No, I'm not messing with this.
Yeah, I'm in a hedge. I just brought my hedge up to 21.
Oh, I thought you were. Oh, I see. You wanted it to get above 20 so you could get out of it on the way down?
Yeah, just get a better hedge position because I'm hedged at 2030 at 42.30. So at the top, I was trying to get a 10 pip hedge.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I took a $12 loss just to get out to get a better position.
Yeah. I've done that before plenty of times.
Yeah, nothing happening for me. I'm out.
All right, I think I'm gonna call it too.
All right. See you guys in the morning.
All right.
All right.
Peace out.
See you soon.
All right. All right, Mike.
All right, have a good one, E-Man. I will catch you in the morning. And YouTube, same for you. We will be back in the morning about 7:30, a little bit before perhaps. And let's see, what do we need to get up here? We get this thing going up here like that. And then we get this thing going here, which goes like this. And we'll see you tomorrow morning.